Welcome back to the Fox's Den. I don't know about you, but I love fall. And I have a 3-ingredient recipe that is fall inspired. Okay, here we go. Here's what you need. It's very simple. It's, I guess, semi-homemade. You need an 8-ounce block right here of cream cheese, softened, not room temperature, just softened, and a cup of apple pie filling. Now, if you want to make yours homemade, that's fine, but mine actually comes from a can. I did not make it and can it and put it up. Straight from the store, apple pie filling. I'm going to dump that in here, and I'm actually making it in a plastic container with my little handy dandy beater over here so that I can then chill it. The third ingredient are choices, and we'll talk about them in a minute. So, got the cream cheese, cup of pie filling. I'm gonna turn on the mixer and mix it up. What we're making is an apple pie dip, if you haven't already guessed. Here we go. You could also do this in a food processor or a blender. I just find this to be super easy. Hauling those things out is heavy, and this is like so lightweight. I think it was like $10. I think I told you in my last episode from Walmart. I'm just gonna scrape the sides down, and then I will give you a close-up of what this looks like. It's almost done. It's not going to be super smooth. It's going to be on the chunkier side. Okay. Almost there. So good. Now, if you want it to be more apple pie flavored, then you could add more apple pie filling. I put 1 cup, so it was 1 cup of apple pie filling, 1 block of cream cheese. It is really creamy. Oh my God, it's so good. It's almost like cheesecake. If you feel that it is not sweet enough, add more apple pie filling. We don't need a lot of sugar in our family, so we tend to think this is sweet enough because there's a lot of sugar in the apple pie filling in the can. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to chill this. It doesn't take long, half hour maybe, and then I will show you what we will serve it with. Okay, this is the third ingredient. You have options here. A wonderful Italian market called Bagliani's in Hamilton, New Jersey. And I always say Hamilton because people think Hamilton, but it's not. It's H-A-M-M-O-N-T-O-N. And that is where I found the cannoli chips that are cinnamon and sugar. There's also a type of tortilla chip with I forget what the name of it is. It's like a woman's, like Annie's maybe, female name, and they make a cinnamon tortilla chip. That's delicious. These are graham crackers, and then these are little mini Nilla wafers. I'm gonna use all 3, but you could use just one, whichever one you want. You could also use those lovely, like they only come out in the autumn time when they're like those spice cookies, the boxes like orange and black. They're so good. Susie loves those. Those are her favorite. Okay, I'm gonna set it up and show you what it should look like. Okay, here it is. I used the little Nilla wafers. You can get the larger, whatever works for you. 1 little scoop. You know I can't eat these because I'm gluten-free, but it is really simple and it is very delicious.
You can store this yumminess in the refrigerator for up to 4 days.
Okay, thank you for tuning into the Fox's Den. I'm Roxanne, and on behalf of the rest of the girls, happy fall.